Hi, I'm Chef Michael Swamy and I'm at the Pullman New Delhi Aerocity, and I'm going to be making just for you this wonderful lamb dish with a warm tomato salad. So I've just heated some sesame oil. I'm going to add in the vegetables. Quick mash up of the vegetables so that they all cook evenly. Add in the tomatoes. Oil. Take my lamb chop. So I'm going to add in a little bit of garlic, some Bhutanese Spice blend mix. A little bit of oil, some garlic, some ginger, this curry powder, so I'm going to add a mix of mutton stock, red chili paste and some jus. Pepper, a little more curry powder, Bhutanese curry powder, and some salt. Get that a good mix. Water.